This is the Defender X in satin Gondwana stone. As you can see, you have a black contrasting roof, 20-inch alloys, 5 split spoke, gloss dark grey with a contrasting diamond turn finish. You also have privacy glass and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have illuminated Defender tread plates with a vintage tan and black leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light and can be controlled here, along with a 3D surround camera which has 360-degree parking aid, sat nav and other functions that can be controlled with the buttons on the wheel, adaptive cruise control making driving along motorways easier, and a heated steering wheel. You also have heated seats in the front and in the back, which is a luxury just as we enter winter. You also have head-up display, which is great so that you don't get distracted looking back down. Memory seats if there's several people driving the vehicle, this can be quite handy. And a Meridian sound system for extra good quality sound. You also have blind spot assist, which makes driving along motorways safer. And a ClearSight rear view camera, which is your mirror that turns into a camera if your boot is full and you can't see out the back window. Stepping back outside the vehicle, you also have puddle lights, which look quite cool, especially at night time. And going into the boot, it's very spacious, as you can see. And you also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which can be discreet if you want it to be. So that was the Defender X. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.